Okay, we've got a Ford keyless fob. Let's change the battery on it. So the key thing to look at is this bit here. It actually squeezes in. Don't put a screwdriver and wedge it open, because that will, you scratch it. There's no need to do that. So what you do, you squeeze these in, and the top pops up. See that? And it pops up. And it comes off very easily. It just comes off like that. And then you can just pop this key out. You don't really need the key. The key just sits there. It's obviously your emergency key to get in the car. And the next thing we're going to do is poke a screwdriver in here. And what happens when you poke it in and turn it, it starts to allow the bottom part to open out. So this is the kind of screwdriver we've got, and we put it in here, more to the right. And look, as I get my thumb out of the way, as I turn, see, it starts to come out, and then you need to get your finger behind there or nail and just pull it out carefully. Just carefully pull it out without pulling too hard. Okay, once you pull it out, eventually it just comes apart. Now it's quite straightforward now. You just want to get that battery out of there. Just, you can see in the background, the one I've got is the R2032. Which looks like that. And look at the way round it is. You've got the sort of have a look here. You've got the curved part upwards. You see that? Curved part upwards. Just whilst we're here, look at what we've got here. So I'm guessing these are the chips. Yeah, you've got your prongs there that make contact with the battery. Yeah. Okay. I bet you can get the whole unit for about £100 programmed. Anyway. Okay, and then just sort of, poke it up like that. See the way it just comes up quite easy. Don't push too hard. You don't want to cause any damage. It just pops out like so. Got like a springy device here, and then pop the new one in, and then literally just push it back. Push it all back together. Like so. You might as well give it a clean while you're there. Got some grime on this one, so I'll just give that a quick clean here. That whole unit just comes off. Look, that actually comes off. I'm not going to do that. Otherwise, it's just reverse order really of what we just did. Just carefully just get it all back into position. There is like a little pin. See there? There's a little pin here. It pokes out. And you sort of get it in. There's a gap on the other side. Look, gap here. Just put it in that gap. Like so. And then it all lines up then. You just clip it back together then. You should get that satisfying sort of click. Put your key back the right way around. Just like it was. Looks like it goes in like that first. It's gonna, yeah, it sort of pokes in first. In that end, then like that. And then this looks like it just pushes on. And that's it. Let's go test it. See if we'll get, because what it is, we're getting the low battery message on the car. That was the message we were getting. So hopefully that will stop. Bye for now. All the best.